Hello guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ruhhy dehumidifier. Alright, get the shitty scissors. I don't need no scissors here. Manual. Here we have our manual. A remote. Here's a remote. Power. Sleep. Timer. Air purify. Defrost. Plus or minus, I don't know. Right. I'm going to have to do this. Netflix. Now this bad boy is Netflix. Alright. Plop him down. Right, this is our cover. As you can see, we have the device itself here. LCD display right here. I don't know how well it looks in the video. Sleep, defrost, hour, degrees, percent, information, water, per. I don't know, full. So it tells you when it's full, I guess. 30 some grill, ton of vents. Oh no, switch. Here is our reservoir. Here is the tank, the water tank. This is like, I guess, where it comes. Oh, there you go. How the hell do I legit don't know. I think that's all. I don't know what does that do. I don't know. Alright, this for the water tank. Right, what's that? Here is our hosage. I don't know where it goes. This is like, you don't have to empty the bin, you can just like hook it up to something. Just the inside of the device itself. I don't know, I'll just pull it. I don't know where this goes, but alright. Anyways, guys, that was the unboxing of the Ruhhy dehumidifier. I installed the bin. Nice book. Alright, so I guess that's it. Anyways, bye guys.